Hey loves, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So today is Friday. Actually, tomorrow is Eid. I don't know whether I'm going to work or not, but I'm from town right now. It's actually it's actually 9 a.m. in the morning, and I'm from town. I'm from buying these things, and I'm going to make a suit. Guys, yesterday I was vlogging and they called me and someone needed a suit. They want it today and I have to make sure today it's done and I deliver it. So I'm from town to buy material, and so I can't make a suit in one day and I finish it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my friend's place. We are going to be making it from there. He's going to help me with a trouser, and then I will be working with the coat or the blazer. So today we have to deliver it and I'll see you later. Okay, so this is my outfit and I'm in a rush, so this is it. This is how we are looking like. We're not so disorganized, but yeah, see you.
Maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel.
It's done finally, so I'm finalizing. I'm from overlooking it, and I'm going to put the buttons, like the buttonhole. The buttons are already there. I'm going to put the buttonholes. I put these and then I finish up with that coat. This light is fucking bad, but yeah, so after I go back home, because I really need to rest. Actually, today is Eid, and yeah.
As you fade away,
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love faced all the highs and the lows. No, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing up my chest and it's
I love a beauty and fashion designer, content creator in Uganda. So today is Saturday, I think 9, something like that. Today is 9th, yeah, and I said to vlog. So I was not supposed to come at work. Of course I'm going to go back. Oh, that dress. Ooh, I didn't want to show you that. I was not supposed to come today, but I've come because I had unfinished work. That suit you see here, yeah, I had unfinished work and they needed this suit today. I had only a day, one day to make a suit. That was the worst decision I've ever made. That was the worst decision I've ever made since I started my business, doing a suit in one day. But anyway, we are done. We are going to deliver it and then I go back home. Today is Eid, happy Eid. And yeah, I don't know how much I'm going to be vlogging today, but I really need to rest. It has been a stressful week. It has been so stressful, and yeah, so I need to rest. I need to watch some movies. I edit some videos. I have like 3 videos to edit, and I'm going to upload a video. So I edited that yesterday, and yeah, so I'm going to deliver this suit and then I go home. I was supposed to go home for it, but yeah, I was caught up with by work and I'm not going to go there, so I'm going to stay home by myself and chill, relax, and then I see what to do next.